So step number one is we are in Digistore24 and we directly, you guys can see marketplace. Click this and first of all we select a product. So make sure you guys must select a highly converting product. If you guys did not select a converting product, then you guys did not get a sale. So for this video we're gonna go with the first product. You guys can see this is number one product and Digistore24, and you guys can see the cart conversion is 16%. so this cart conversion is really high, and this product is number one from last 4 or 5 months. It means this product sells crazy, and the average commission you guys can get almost $120. So first of all we see the sales page of this video, sales page of this offer. So you guys can see really basic simple sales page. There is no headline here, only sales video, and scroll down and again this guy is directly selling stuff. Okay, so these are the 3 packages this offer provides. If anybody buys, we getting a commission. Okay, so let's do this and we're gonna promote this offer. You guys just click promote and get your affiliate link and save in your notepad. Okay, once you did this, and I'm gonna show you where you guys can promote this offer, but first of all you guys can see I'm gonna show you the website. The website is getting almost 1.6 billion views every single month. So this website is a really high website. This website is competing with Instagram and Pinterest, so this is a really high quality audience. And let's see the audience. You guys can see 47% audience comes from United States, then 7.3% from United Kingdom, then Canada, then Australia, then Germany. All these are tier 1 countries for advertising, and you guys can see there is a lot of traffic, literally 1.6 billion visits every single month. So this is a lot of visits. So we're gonna promote through this website, and this website is called reddit.com. you guys can see. So first of all, Reddit is very similar to Facebook. Okay, understand this. This is it's very similar to Facebook. You guys can see notification answers. You guys can chat with anyone. These are the live options. These are very similar to Facebook. You guys can see if anybody a person who just post their video or something like this, you guys can see this is a upvote. It means if anybody clicks this, it means we just like this post. If anybody click this, it means we just dislike this post. Okay, this is the meaning of this. And you guys can also do comments. You guys can see a lot of people are commenting on this, and you guys can see awards. You guys can share this, you guys can save this. Okay, this is very similar to Facebook. You guys scroll down and this is very similar to Facebook. A lot of people are posting random stuff, images, videos, ads, a lot of stuff you guys can see here. Very similar to Facebook. Yes. And what we gonna do here, you guys can see the search option. For example, we are promoting weight loss offer, right? So we click this and we gonna search, for example, fitness. Okay, because you first of all, once you search fitness, first of all you guys can see all the posts. You guys can see all posts here. These are all the posts which people posted related to fitness. Okay, but we don't go with this one. You guys can see communities and people. Click this and now you guys can see all the Reddit groups. Normally in this Reddit we call it subreddits, but this is a groups. You guys can see the Facebook groups. These are the Reddit groups. So these are a lot of groups. But first of all, you guys just see the members. 8.7 million members in this group, 2.3 million members, 440 members or 40k members, 34 million members, 2.7 million members. So literally I didn't see that much members in Facebook groups. These are a lot of members in these groups. Okay, this is a very popular site. A lot of visits you guys this website gets every single month. So you guys just join and I'm gonna click this and you guys can see a lot of people are posting stuff, a lot of different stuff related to weight loss, keto diet, how to lose weight fast, so related to this. But what we gonna do, first of all, you guys must understand this. This is called, you guys can see in my profile, one karma. What is karma is known as trust in Reddit. Make sure understand this is very make sure you guys understand this is a very important thing for you guys. Karma is one of the most important thing in Reddit. So what is karma? I'm gonna show you in a second. You guys can see this guy is post this post, and you guys can see here's the man posted this. So first of all, you guys can see this guy gets like 96.96k karma, 96,000 karma. In post, this guy get like 17,000 karma. So what is mean by karma? If for example this guy is ask a question, you guys directly go to the comments, click this. If you go to the comments and you just answer it, if you know the answer, you answer the comment, you guys easily get one karma. Or you post a very informative post, you guys again get a karma. And the karma is very important. Why? In Reddit, karma is known as trust. If you post, for example, for example, weight loss related ad, first of all, everybody just see your profile and your karmas is high, then everybody thinks this is a legit guy, this guy is always help other people. So there is more likely chance that you guys can see this guy is added a link, we click this and we directly go to the sales page. So this guy is also promoting something. And you guys must understand, if you have 1 or 2 karmas, if you post your ad, you guys literally Reddit will disable or ban your account. Okay, make sure first of all, first 1 or 3 days, you guys make sure gain like 100 or 100 to 200 karmas. It means you guys literally build your trust with Reddit. Okay, so now what you guys can do, you guys literally did not post directly. First of all, you guys scroll down and you guys must read the policies before posting. Okay, some groups are not allowed to posting groups or not posting links. Okay, some groups are not allow you to post links. So right now you guys can see literally right now 1,500 people live in this group. So this is a very good sign for us. So how you guys can create a post and sell our offer? So there's a 2 ways. I'm going to show you both. So click this, we post, and scroll down, you guys can see text required. So first of all, we add a text. So here is our text, and I also have a headline. So just paste it here. So what I did it, you guys can see, if anybody struggling to lose weight. So this is a hook first of all, and you guys can, this is I created a story. Make sure you guys literally just, you guys do not just hardcore selling. Make sure you guys first of all give them a value or share your story, and then you guys must sell. Okay, so you guys can see I'll lose more than 47 pounds in just 7 weeks. And this simple method which I discovered 7 weeks ago, and it's not exercise, this is just simple method, but I just start take action with this method and I consistent for 7 weeks, and literally I see results. A lot of people told me this is fake stuff, but I didn't listen to those people. And I just believe myself. I consistent with this method and I lose 47 pounds in just 7 weeks. Now if anybody, so you guys can see this is now a call to action of mine. Now if anybody need guidance, just comment below, because I understand your pain. So understand this. Okay, make sure you guys can understand this. So first call to action is, I just say these people, if anybody need guidance, just comment help. If anybody help me, a comment help, I will see the question and I will give the answer with my own affiliate link. If you have like less than 100 or 200 karmas, you guys must use this technique. You guys just ask for a comment. In comment you guys answer them with your affiliate link. if you guys have more than like 200 karmas, then you guys allow to post your link. Okay, if you guys do not have a lot of karmas, like more less than, if you guys for example less than 200 karmas, make sure you guys did not post your affiliate link. Make sure do not post your affiliate link all the time. You guys post your landing page link. Okay, make sure understand this, because Reddit did not like affiliate links. You guys must post your landing page link. Okay, so right now you guys can see I have only one karma. In my second account I have a lot of karmas, but right now I have only one karma. So I'm gonna use this strategy. Is make sure understand this is strategy. If anybody comment help, I will give them answer with this landing page URL. Okay, this is a really cool method. And remember, first of all, understand, you guys just did not sell hardcore. You guys, first of all, you guys hook them. So this is a hook. I lose more than 47 pounds in just 7 weeks with this simple method. So this is my hook, and then I told them a small story for here, just 7 weeks, and this is my call to action. Now if anybody needs guidance, just comment, and the comment is help, because I understand your pain. Once you post this, you guys just click this directly post. Okay, once you did this, because you first of all you hook them, then you share your story, and in the last you guys just simply call to action. Now if anybody comment me, I will give them an answer with my own affiliate link. Okay,